Saving $2. $3.99. Welcome. $5. $2.99. Enter your item quantity and touch the enter button. 1. Place your item in the bag. 99 cents. Touch the item to purchase. Help is required for this item. Please continue scanning other items. Help is on the way.
Morning.
What you got here?
Parsley.
4899, two of them.
Key in 4. 8. Enter your 2. Place
Thank
your
you.
parsley in the bag. 1.98. Place your item in the bagging area. Touch the item to purchase. Place your item in the bagging area. $12.99. Enter your scallions. 1. Place your scallions in the bag. 50 cents. Place your item in the bagging area. $1.99. Touch the item to purchase. Your total is, and your savings is $17. Enter your mangoes. Quantity 2. Place your mangoes in the bag. 1.98. Enter your item quantity and touch the 1. Place your item in the bag. $1.50. Please remember to take your receipt. Please review all bag items. Please touch accept weight to continue. Move your item to the bag. $1.75. $3.49. Savings 50 cents. Touch the quick lookup button. $1.99.
Probably need ice. Yeah. I'm gonna do 3 bags.
$5.99. Place your item in the bagging area. $5.49. Savings $1.50. $2.49. $3.49. Savings 99 cents.
Thank you.
Enter phone number, then touch and for help, please touch the help button. Please wait. Help is on the way.
Wait,
I don't-
taking a photo.
I'm recording.
Your total is 38. And your savings is $2.99. Please wait. System processing. Follow the instructions on the pin pad. Please remember to take your receipt. Thank you.